The Indian IT giants are feeling the heat, not because of local crisis, not because of weak demand in India, but because of the storm that is building thousands of kilometers away in the United States. And this storm, it has a name: artificial intelligence. So on February 18, a wave of fear swept through the Dalal Street. Investors watched closely, screens flashed red, and India's biggest tech companies began sliding again. From Tata Consultancy Services to Infosys, from Wipro to HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra, almost every major IT stock, it started falling together. Response: a sudden drop in the US technology stock overnight, sending shockwaves straight into the Indian tech sector. In fact, the damage was quick, it was visible. India's tech sector index slipped sharply. Investors, they rushed to sell, and mid-tier tech companies, they were hit even harder. Companies like Persistent System, LTI Mindtree, in fact L&T Technology Services, they saw sharper decline. But this isn't just about one bad trading day, it's about a bigger fear. The fear is artificial intelligence about to change the entire outsourcing industry? Well, for decades, Indian IT followed a very simple formula here: hire more engineers, offer global companies cheaper and efficient services, grow steadily year after year. Well, this model made India a growing tech powerhouse. But now that model is being questioned. Why? Because a recent report by Motilal Oswal Financial Services delivered a blunt warning. It said that AI could make many traditional IT services unnecessary. Yes, be it software testing, be it routine coding, even some support services. Machines are learning to do them faster and cheaper. And yes, this isn't the very first disruption Indian IT has ever faced. Do you remember years ago, cloud computing shook infrastructure services? Before that, automation hit BPO businesses. And now AI may become the biggest disruption yet. And the numbers, they are already showing the stress here, ladies and gentlemen. Indian IT stock have fallen heavily over the past year. The sector index has dropped more than 20%, and in just 1 month, it has lost nearly double-digit value. Now, that is not a normal volatility. It is investors asking, is the IT growth story changing forever? And yes, then something interesting happened. For a brief moment, the fear slowed down. Markets saw hope. Hope came from a new partnership. Infosys announced a major collaboration with Anthropic. The goal? Well, that was to build powerful enterprises AI tool for banking, telecom, manufacturing, and software development. Now, this partnership planned to combine the advanced AI system with Infosys' own AI platform. The message was clear here: Indian IT companies don't want to fight AI, they want to ride the AI wave. And yes, at the very same time, global discussions at AI conferences also suggested something very, very important here. AI may not completely replace the IT services, instead, it could transform them. Automation may remote repetitive work, but it could also create new, high skilled jobs. Yet, the relief did not last long. Investors, they quickly turned to worry mode because one question still remains unanswered: how fast will AI change client behavior? Global companies are already becoming cautious here. So, some are delaying the big IT contracts, some are reducing the outsourcing budget, and many are waiting to see how AI reshapes the technology cost.